family of Botham Jean plans to sue the city of Dallas as well as the former Dallas cop Amber Guyger, who fatally shot him in his apartment earlier this month. Now, Lee Merritt, who is the family's attorney, they have made it clear that they are suing both of them because they say in this federal lawsuit, Guyger was still operating as a Dallas police officer because she was wearing her uniform and used her revolver as well. Now, the lawsuit has not been filed as of yet, but they certainly plan to do so. And I want to go to Lee Merritt right now, who is the attorney for the Botham Jean family. In just a moment, I'm going to also talk to Botham Jean's mother, Allison Jean, as well. Let me go to Lee first. So, Lee, with this particular lawsuit that you plan to file on behalf of the family, again, explain why you're filing against Guyger personally as well as the city of Dallas.
Well, the truth is, when Guyger entered Botham's apartment, she was operating under the color of state authority. It doesn't matter when she clocked in or when she clocked out. What it all comes down to is whether or not a reasonable person would have perceived her as operating as a police officer. And part of our theory is that she likely gained entry into Mr. Botham's apartment because she was donned in a police uniform, she was wearing a badge, and she was carrying a service weapon.
And also, after the shooting took place, she was still being treated as if she was in the line of duty, correct?
That's exactly right. So she's gotten all the benefits of a police officer-involved shooting, all of the time to reflect before she was interrogated and arrested. She's benefited tremendously from her position as a police officer. Well, the city should also be held accountable for its role in retaining that officer, in poorly training that officer, and in its role in facilitating a culture, quite frankly, in terms of their policies and procedures, where it's all right to shoot an unarmed black man. And we know that that's happened in the city of Dallas repeatedly, and that there's been no significant policy changes in order to prevent that. And so the city is going to have to be held accountable as well.
When do you plan to file this lawsuit?
The truth is, we will likely wait until the grand jury has returned an indictment for murder or an indictment period. We're putting first things first. So as we run our concurrent investigation, we're turning over information to the district attorney's office so they can present a full case before the grand jury. But once that process is complete, we will likely move forward with our lawsuit.
Okay, Lee Merritt, we certainly appreciate it. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.